This car have a problem, car not start. See, when I try to long self but not start. See, great success. See, if my video helpful for you, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hello, what's up guys, how are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have one Honda Civic and you can see here in this car have a problem, car not start. See, when I try to long self but not start. See, that's the problem. So today I will show you in this video how you can solve this problem, how to check one by one and how you can solve it. Okay, it's cranking but not start. So here is the engine room. First of all, what you have to test, remove one ignition coil wire and check when you ignition on there is a voltage or not. Okay, if you ignition on, here one wire have to it should be battery voltage is there. So first of all, ignition on ignition and check here, remove ignition wire, ignition coil wire here, and you can see first wire, check here, there is no voltage. See, that means somewhere wiring or fuse damage. Okay, see, there is no current. If ignition coil is there is no electricity, then car not start. So what you have to do first, check fuse. Because there is one ignition coil fuse here, you can see ignition coil fuse 15 number. See, this fuse damage. So remove it and then replace another one. If your car ignition coil have damage or short, then it happen like this. This is good, fix it and then check, fuse is perfect. Then here in this wire, see, now 12 volt is there. Okay, fix this wire and then try to start car. So great success. See, now start car. Great success. If my video helpful for you, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.